Yeah, I could do that. Yeah, shoot, it came out nice. Well, there she is. The wizard's alive. Paint detail. Dad got the deck done. Had to put a tube in the one tire. It was flat this morning. So I mainly supervise because my back is hurting, so I've been sitting in the chair helping Dad here and there. Do what I could. Had to take the wizard badges and re-stick them on. They were about, one was falling off and the other one was close to it, so. But there she is. New blades, decks all serviced. Came out nice. The buff job, it was amazing. I couldn't believe it. It looked bad, the scratches. And came out pretty good. I got my detail spray. I didn't wipe it down from doing the seat. So I treat the seat and then wipe it down so it ain't slippery, but it gives you that look. And tried something a little different this time. Took a Murray seat and cut out the pan from the Sears seat. Bolted it up to the factory holes. So there you go. You got a factory quasi seat. Works good. Oh, there you go. Another one done.